Hi everyone, Team Level Up presents mobile game NeverFuture. We are aware of increasing global pollution, destruction of wildlife, and unsorted waste. So our mobile game NeverFuture is intended to highlight the importance of ecology and provide entertaining experience on the go. Our role-playing game tells a story of a young adventurer who travels to the future and finds himself in a heavily polluted world on the verge of its destruction. Traveling through gloomy, apocalyptic world in a desperate search for the way to get back home, our hero cannot disregard cries for the help from natives trying to save themselves. Story is designed to express the meaning of ecology and its benefits, so player actually learns important lessons while playing. User receives knowledge useful in everyday life. Game starts with tutorial level. Player is introduced with environment and basic controls. As player progresses in the game, story brings out various characters, NPCs, and fights with pollution monsters. The main action of the game takes place in the fantastic world, based on the steampunk theories, which is separated into three main regions: workers, scientists, and businessmen. Every region has its own capital city. Since they do not communicate with each other, world is suffering from the great ecological disaster and chaos. Regions is fighting with each other and is blaming another side for the ecological situation on Earth, and this argue prevents them from joining forces for cleaning the Earth. In the center of the world live the pollution monsters, which like mess, tainted rivers, and piles of litter. These monsters are fed by polluting people. Every region is separated by the big wall of trash, which makes it difficult for people to communicate and to clean the environment. In the progress of the game, our hero finds out that he is in the near future and that this world is what left from the green and beautiful Earth. He figures out that this is the consequence of the people who were polluting their world without giving a thought. Therefore, they are blaming each other and do not want to take the responsibility for destroying the environment. Right now, we are in one of the three biggest cities in the game world, which belongs for the worker faction. City is suffering from the ecological disaster caused by world inhabitants. City is populated only by workers, but despite this, there are very little space. It's crowded, constantly lacking of fresh drinking water, suffering from the raging diseases and epidemics caused by pollution. For this situation, workers is blaming other regions, but don't do a thing about it themselves. Trash is scattering all around the city, laying on the streets. While traveling, our hero can collect rubbish by simply standing over it. And he does that not only to clean up the city, but also for ability to exchange certain amounts of trash into in-game items. The main objective of this game is to show the player that it's very important to save the environment, and also how important it is not to blame each other for the results, but to unite and solve the ecological problems. Let's go to the travel level and fight some trouble, maybe pick up a fight.